You know, I've been outside all day today. It's so beautiful. And I've been planting up my plants to take in the house. It got me thinking about watering. Did you know that there's a lot of things you can water your plants with besides water? Things that are excellent for them. Things like the water from your boiled eggs. Save it, let it cool, refrigerate it to save it, and water your plants with it. The nutrients from these shells are so good for your plants. And club soda, once it goes non-fizzy and it gets all flat, just use that and water the plants with it. The salts in it are really good for them. And tea, if you have iced tea, you've got some left over, even hot tea, let it cool, dilute it a little. Water your plants with it. Even they like a little tea sometimes. And if you have leftover coffee, which will never happen in my case, but if you have leftover coffee, dilute it and water the plants with it. Even plants like a little bit of caffeine. So get out now and enjoy the day. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter. And thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.